I'm going to let you in on a little clean girl secret. Looking effortless does not mean no effort. Those girls you see on Pinterest and Instagram who look like they just woke up like that, yeah, they actually have very high maintenance routines. But that's the whole illusion, being high maintenance to look low maintenance. The secret is doing all the prep work ahead of time so that your daily maintenance can just be autopilot. So, I'm going to break down the 10 high-maintenance beauty habits that you should do if you want to look low maintenance every day. But before you start stressing out about how time-consuming it's going to be, these habits only take an additional 5 to 10 minutes. So they're very realistic and easy to fit into your daily schedule. Because as an extremely busy person who runs her own business, trust me, I don't have time to be doing the most either. But these habits have been in my routine for such a long time, and they have definitely made my beauty easier. Number 1 is gua sha. This is one of those things that people say doesn't work, but the problem is they don't do it consistently. And that's kind of the point. But not everyone wants to be consistent, and it kind of shows. With any sort of facial massage, or really any type of facial treatment, you're not going to achieve long-lasting results after doing it just once. But doing this every single day for a long period of time will actually affect the appearance of your face. Genetically, I have a baby face, so I have tried to find so many ways to slim down this part, but nothing I found compares to gua sha. It will give you that subtly sculpted and lifted look without needing surgery or Botox. Plus, facial massage has so many other benefits, like improving circulation, skin tone, product absorption. And this is not some trendy beauty hack like facial massage. Dates back to thousands of years ago. So if our ancestors swear by it, it's legit. I like to go gua sha in the morning because I normally wake up with a puffy face, and my entire gua sha routine only takes me like 5 minutes. I like to use any kind of serum first so that the tool can just glide easily, and then I start with the sides of my face, up the neck, and then the décolleté. After doing this for so many years, I have definitely noticed a huge difference in how defined my facial structure looks. It takes almost no time, and it will make you look so awake and fresh. On the topic of improving circulation, your body can also hold on to excess fluid, specifically lymph fluid or cellular waste. And this is why sometimes you might feel puffy or swollen, even though you haven't really changed anything. So this is why I really love dry brushing my skin. This is really great for exfoliating dead skin cells, improving circulation, and lymphatic drainage. This only takes a couple minutes, but with consistency, you will notice a huge difference in your body texture. This has really helped a lot with my keratosis pilaris on my arms, which is essentially when your skin builds up too much keratin, and then it creates these little bumps or chicken skin. Again, because this is really good at exfoliating, it helps to reduce the bumps here and just makes my skin a lot softer. And after I shower and apply my body oil, my skin looks insane. It also just feels really good. It makes my skin warm, and it's like a little massage. I mean, who doesn't like to be pampered? Before I use this, I like to just massage my lymph nodes. You have lymph nodes in special areas of your body, like your neck and then your armpits. So I'll just massage those for like a minute. And then I start with like my feet, and then I work up to like my arms and like my chest. And with this, you're supposed to brush towards your heart. So I'll start with the bottom of my feet, and then I'll just work my way up. They also sell different variations of this, so you can find one that has softer bristles or firmer bristles. Some of them they have handles, but I'll link the one I have in the description if you want to check it out. One of my favorite high maintenance habits to stay low maintenance is laser hair removal at home. And I've been using the U-Like Air 10 for my at-home treatments. This uses IPL or intense pulsed light, which is a clinically approved hair removal method that targets the melanin inside hair follicles. It uses a powerful and safe spectrum of light to reduce visible hair without damaging the skin. Because this works by targeting melanin, Its effectiveness is based on the ratio between melanin in the skin and in the hair. I absolutely love IPL compared to other hair removal methods because it is so quick, so painless, and the results are super long-lasting. I used to only shave, but I've cut myself so many times with a razor, and then I'll get those stubborn ingrown hairs after. And because I have pretty thick hair, I will literally start to see the hair grow back the same day. It's like, damn, can I just get 24 hours with no hair? Like, is that so much to ask for? I've done waxing too, but it can be pretty painful, especially if you have a lower pain tolerance. I've also done traditional laser hair removal, but it's so expensive, and you have to physically go to a clinic multiple times to see results. So that is why I absolutely love using the like IPL device. It has ice cooling technology, so it's very soothing on the skin. It's nearly painless, like I can barely feel it, and it is super quick and easy to use. Of course, with any beauty device, consistency is key. Similar to laser, IPL works gradually. For the first 4 weeks, they advise you to use it every other day. And then after that, you only have to use it 1 to 2 times per month for maintenance. Just to show you guys my progress, this was my armpit before using the device. And mind you, this was right after I shaved, but you can still see the stubble. And this is it now after using the like Air 10. Such a big difference. My underarms are so smooth. And the best part is the results last such a long time. The Air 10 is 65% more powerful than some of their previous models, with a special SHR mode that delivers 4 flashes per shot, making this more effective at removing that stubborn hair in the underarm and bikini area. This is the best high maintenance to stay low maintenance habit that I do. It is 1000% worth it, and I love that I can just do it in the comfort of my own home. Thank you so much to Ulite for sponsoring this video, and there's no commission code, so the best offer to get is on their website. I'll put the link below. Number 4 is a consistent skincare routine. Everyone talks about skincare. Everyone's obsessed with skincare. But when it comes to having an effective and consistent skincare routine, the wheels fall off. We are so obsessed with buying and trying new stuff that it's causing more problems for our skin. It does not matter if you have 3 products in your routine or 100. If you're not using the right ones or applying them consistently, you're not going to see the results you want. It took a lot of trial and error to figure out what works for my skin. But once I did, I stopped trying all the new stuff and I just stuck with my current lineup. And doing that has improved my skin more than any singular product.